Welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take two maps, layer them together, and show some markers while hiding others. In this specific example, I'm going to use my sales territories map, and I'm going to use my customers map. Now, in my sales territories map, I have a salesperson column in that data. In my new customers map, I have a salesperson column in that data, but blank because I haven't assigned these new customers to their associated salesperson. So I'm going to want to show these markers on the map, but keep these markers off the map. And as we see, I've got this turned off. So we're going to go into our layering tool, layer maps, create a new layered map. Name that new layered map, hit continue. I'm going to stay connected to the base map in real time. This way, anytime changes are made into any of the maps, it will update this layered map automatically without me needing to come here. You can also do updates need to be approved. That means you'll come in or you can completely disconnect them. I'm going to select my sales territories for the US, and I am going to select my new customers map. You can select additional maps as well, but I'm just doing two today. I'm going to hit continue. And what we see here is every column header in each of the data. So not everything has a match. That's why you see sales territories does not have physical address. And we're just going to make sure that everything is the way it should be and everything looks good here because we don't have the same information in both maps. And I'm going to layer now. I don't want to see it in this view. I actually need some of these markers, but not all of them. So we're going to come in a little bit closer. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the map tools. I'm going to go to the boundary tool, and in here I'm going to check ignore filters. And what that's going to do is it's going to prevent this from filtering when I filter the markers away for the boundaries themselves. So I'm checking ignore filters. Now that that's done, I'm just going to head over to you can go grouping or filter, but I'm going to go with filter this time, and I'm going to go to map layer, and I am going to choose to see just my new customers. And now what we'll get is our markers showing on this map only for the new customers, with the sales territories still visible in the background. If we had chosen not to check that box, then when we go into the filter and we filter for just new customers, the boundaries disappear. So that's the purpose of setting it up that way. So boundaries, ignore filter, and then you can simply show your markers for any particular map that you'd like. And that's how you show some of your markers while hiding others. This is the same steps if you were using the heat map tool. Just go to the heat map instead of the boundary tool. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.